Hey, what's up everyone? This is going to be a after the fact unboxing of, wait for it, a T10 by Ear Micro. This goes around this box, all right? And it comes in this box. It's got full padding. No issues during transportation. Good to go, not a problem. Mine came with a personalized card. I actually went to Kansas City to go meet Bear, get a walkthrough of the shop, the whole manufacturing process, and we went into some pretty in-depth conversations about the developmental process of the T10 and how long it's taken. Okay, so let's get into what comes in the box. So you get an assortment of ear tips to match any ear size from very small to humongous. Me personally, I sit at a size 5. You also get a very high quality Klipsch Ear Micro branded USB-C cable. You also get a USB to USB-C adapter. You also get a pretty little business card, QR codes. You get 2 bags for transportation. This you would put your charger in, and maybe even your little charger cord. And then this is for the actual unit itself. Leather, pretty inside. All right, so let's get to the meat and bones. This is the box that it comes in. Let's go ahead and, should we weigh that? Nah, we don't need to weigh the box, but we will weigh the units. And just as a reference, usually my daily is the Sony XM, the 5. So we'll just put that off to the side. So this is my unit. All units are bespoke, and this one is mine. This is currently in the charging position. And here we go. This is Cerakote carbon fiber, a 1 of 1. Nobody has this. Usually it's just milled, but no. I got the case upgraded. White ceramic, black button. And then we've got the unit. I wanted something very high contrast. So that's exactly what I got. Very clean, very clean. Klipsch, but you can get logos laser engraved on the case. And these come in any color you really want, right? But yeah, quality. Very nice. On the back side, same thing. It's pretty much a mirror. Normally it says Klipsch here, only I wanted to have my initials. So got that done, really nice. So let's go ahead and put this off to the side and let's just do a quick comparison of weight, right? So let's take this, we'll turn it on. We will put these back in. Sony XM5, right? Flagship. 49.3 grams. $122 grams. So it's twice as heavy, but it feels quality, right? So let's start measuring out earbuds. Keep in mind, this is an all plastic housing. .9 grams. Ceramic, 6 grams. direct size comparison between the two. There we go. Let's turn it around like this. It's a big difference. And this can start irritating your ear. This, you don't even feel it. It fits in there so perfect. And it'll stay in there as long as you use the right ear tip size, of which you have an assortment. It's just perfect. It's real easy to do. Just get it in there. Boom. See the little light? It's charging, no problem. Go ahead and move that out. And keep in mind, you don't have to put this in the case. You can actually remove the charger. Oh, if I could do this. The charger itself is this. And this is a high capacity charger, so it can get kind of warm because it puts out the juice when it's charging. So let's go ahead and weigh this. $34.8 grams. So altogether, 156.5 grams. Not that it matters, nobody really cares, but at the same point in time, if you're trying to figure out how heavy is this thing gonna be, that's your answer. But yeah, and you know, it just hooks right on. Oh, you can't even see it, okay. Just hooks right on and you are good to go. But yeah, I like to have it in the case so you could just stick it in there, stick a cable in there, guide it in, make sure that it's seated correctly, and then there we go. Make sure that it's good and seated. And then boom, you're good to go. The light indicates that it charges. This is a mirror back here. And this also has magnets in the case. I can feel the magnets right at the corners. So it's got a real firm closing action. But yeah, that's an unboxing of a T10 Bespoke. As a reference, this is $3,500 right there. And it may be a little bit more because I was the first one to get a Cerakote carbon, and that is a very hard process because carbon is not meant to be Cerakoted. It's a big hassle to get it done. I'll just say that. But look how it shines though. Like if you want something that blings, and then if you get this like in solid gold or platinum, silver, whatever, you can have some shine to it. But that's just on the carbon though. But yeah. Oh yeah, and the sound of course is better than the Sony's, better than anything else that I have. So yeah, if you want something where you have in-ear DACs, you don't have to carry around any kind of craziness, you can do that with the T10 Bespoke. So yeah, zero buyer's regret. It's a phenomenal unit, and I look forward to maybe getting another set in the future. Awesome. Hope this helps somebody. Have a great day.